A warm greetings to everyone. This is D.Sterlin Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering from RMDEC Engineering College. In this video, we'll discuss about the subject problem solving using C++. The topic we are going to discuss is storage class specifiers. So first we can see what is storage class specifier. So before using a variable, it should be declared. So to define a variable, we need to mention not only its data type but also its storage class. So the storage class specifiers are used to describe the features of a variable. So the features includes the scope, visibility and lifetime. Let us see what is a scope. Scope means how widely a variable is known among the set of functions in a program. And lifetime means the period which a variable retain a given value during the execution of a program. So there are four types of storage classes in C. They are auto, extern, static and register. Let us see one by one. So first one is auto. So the variables which are declared inside a function are called automatic variables. So in order to declare this automatic variables, we have to use the syntax auto, data type, variable 1, variable 2, etc. So the example is auto integer a comma b semicolon. So here the variables a and b are declared as automatic variables. Generally it comes like a local variable. So instead of auto integer a comma b, we can declare integer a comma b. So by default it will give the access specifier as auto. So coming to the scope, here the scope is within the block as well as the lifetime is within the block, which is similar to local variable. So we can see with a piece of code. So here in the main function I have declared auto integer a comma b, auto float x comma y. So here the variables a and b, also x and y are automatic variables. So here within the main function, here the scope and lifetime are specified. So if we want to declare externally, we can give auto. Otherwise we no need to give the auto keyword. So instead in the second program we can see integer main of within bracket. So we are having the integer a comma b and float x comma y. Here we are not specifying the keyword auto. Second one is extern. So it is similar to global variables. So what do you mean by external variable means? So the variables which are declared outside the function are called external variables. So here it has the scope throughout the program as well as the lifetime is also till the end of the program. Here we are not declared within a specific function. So we are declaring the variables outside the main function. So in order to declare the variable as extern, the syntax used is extern, data type, variable 1, variable 2, etc. So example extern integer then a comma b. So here two variables we are using a and b. Also it is declared as extern. So if you want to declare a variable as extern, we should give the keyword extern. So we can see with the piece of code, see above the main function, here I have declared extern integer a comma b and integer float x. So here two variables are declared as integer as well as extern, and x is a floating variable. It is also declared as extern. So throughout this program it has the scope and lifetime. The third one is static storage class specifier. So static, so it is when we are declaring it as static, it will initialize once and it will exist till the termination of the program. If I want to declare a variable as a static, then the syntax used is static data type variable 1, variable 2, etc. So see, here I have taken three different variables. See, static integer a comma b, then static integer a is equal to 100, static character x1. So a comma b, and it is also initialized to 100. A is initialized to 100 here, and x1 it is declared as character type. So here the scope, considering the scope, we are having within the block. So lifetime till the end of the program. And finally the register storage class, so which is similar to the local variable only. That is the first one what we saw for extern. Instead here we are using a register in order to store the values. So here if I want to declare a storage class, so I want to have a syntax register, data type, variable 1, variable 2, etc. So example, in register integer a comma b, here the two variables. So regarding the scope and lifetime, so both are having the scope within the block only, and here we are having two variables a and b, both are integer types, and I am declaring it as register. So here it will use the register for storing. Thank you.